Hey guys, it's Pierre, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to do chicken satay the Indonesian way. Simple recipe, fast, no headache. We start in the kitchen and I'm gonna give you the list of the ingredients we need, then show you how to do the prep, something simple. I don't like to think too much. After that, we head to the beach, make a barbecue and gonna grill our chicken satay. For our chicken satay, we need chicken breast, shallots, garlic, lime, brown sugar, soy sauce, oil, some salt, chilies and peanuts. And don't worry, I give you all the quantities later in the video. We're gonna make that recipe in 2 steps. First, the chicken and its marinade, and the second, the peanut sauce. For the meat, you need 1 chicken breast to make 12 sticks of chicken satay. Slice the chicken breast in small cubes of more or less 1 cm wide. Then the marinade. To our chicken, we add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oil, peanut oil for example, just a bit of salt, and press 1 wedges of lime. Mix everything and put our marinated meat in the fridge for 12 hours. If you are in a hurry, 30 minutes will be fine. It will be less tender, but it's okay. Now for the peanut sauce, we need a small fry pan and a blender, nothing else. I told you we are making it the easy way. And so in our blender we put 100 grams of grilled peanut, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 small shallots, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 chilies or less if you don't like spicy food, and 300 milliliters of water. Then we mix everything and it must look like that. To end, in our small fry pan we put a tablespoon of oil, or mix, a tablespoon of soy sauce. We stir, and when it starts boiling, it means our peanut sauce is ready. Before to go on the beach to make our barbecue, let's put our chicken on a bamboo stick to make the satay, but please, don't use a toothpick. It's not gonna work. On the stick, let's put 5 pieces of meat, but please keep them on the top of the skewer, not in the middle, and the meat not too compact. And now it's time for barbecue on the beach. And don't worry, I will clean up my mess. You won't even know what's here. If you are cooking the chicken satay at the barbecue using wood fire, wait until there is no flame to place the meat on the grill. From there, it will take more or less 8 minutes to be done, and during that time, flip the satay often. Once they get golden, it means they're ready. Now, don't worry, if you don't have a barbecue, you can use the oven, 180 degrees for 10 minutes, don't forget to flip it, or the fry pan for 8-10 minutes. Don't forget to flip it. In a plate, place the satay and add our peanut sauce on the top. Then mix the satay in the sauce to make sure they all have peanut sauce on it. And look at our yummy chicken satay with peanut sauce. And you can serve it with some rice and vegetable to make sure everyone is full. Okay guys, I hope you will enjoy to make that recipe at home. Now, if you don't want to miss anything, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.